In this video I am going to tell you how to solve a recursive relation problem, how to build a recursive relation problem using substitution method. So this is one example that I have given, and if you have not watched my previous videos, do first watch it, because I recommend you to watch those videos first and then come on to this. You will understand it more clearly, that what is recurrence and all. So this is a question that we are going to solve by substitution method. So see, we are given with the question. This is the question that Tn is equals to t 2t n by 2 plus n, and when our n will be 1, we will be given a function t, and otherwise for all the other conditions we are having this function. So from the question itself we understand that our function is t in terms of n. Now what we are having, we are getting our function's value n is converted to n by 2. So what our aim is to now, that our first step will be, we have to convert our n by n into n by 2. So what we'll do, from the equation we can see n is converting into n by 2. So we will look division by 2 of n. Now we'll divide n by 2. So our Tn is equals to 2t n by 2 plus n, otherwise conditions. So our Tn is this, right? We'll give it equation number 1. Now what we'll do, as our n is converting into n by 2, we'll find a function of n by 2. What we'll find n by 2. We'll place n by 2 in every place of n. So our n becomes n by 2, 2t will be similar, n becomes n by 2 to it will become n by 4, and this n becomes n by 2, so n by 2 is here. So this is our second equation, right? Now as it is a substitution method, we have to take out 2-3 equations from the given questions and then find the relation between them, and then we have to substitute one equation to the other, right? That's what the concept of substitution method. So now we have to do the same process, that n is converting by n by 2. So now we'll find n by 2. Now we have n by 2. Now we have to again keep n is equals to n by 2. So if I'll write n is equals to n by 2 in n divided by 2, we'll get n by 2 by 2, that is n by 4, right? 2t similar, n by 4, and here n by 8. How n is converted to n by 2? So n by 2 into 4, what it is? N by 8, plus n by 2, n by 2 into 2, that is n by 4. As n is converting to n by 2, right, in every condition. Now we'll move further. Now we are not required to find more than 3 equations for the understanding. We have taken out 3 equations. Now we'll substitute them. So we are substituting equation 2 in first, this equation into this equation, as we are having n by 2, right? T of n by 2 we are given. Here is t of n by 2. This value and this value is same, and we'll put this value into that place, right? So we'll put Tn by 2, this value, this whole value, into this part in the equation 1. So Tn will become 2 as it is. Here t n by 2 will be this 2t n by 4 plus n by 2 in curve brackets, and here is n, we'll write n. So before simplifying it, we'll get Tn 2 into 2 40 in bracket n by 4 plus n by 2 will be multiplied with 2, it will divide, so there will be only n, and this is n at this place. So we'll more simplify it, we'll get 2n, as it will be n only, it cross, and it will n plus n, it will be 2n. So 4t n by 4 plus 2n. So this is the equation that we are getting after this equation. After the equation this, we are getting this equation after substituting. So we are going to find one more equation, and then we'll establish a relation, that what relation exists between them. So now what we are doing, now we are substituting this fourth equation that we have find it right now in the third equation. in the first part we have used equation 2 and equation 1 for solving to get equation 4. Now we are using equation 3 and equation 4 to get the fifth equation. So now what we'll do, we'll substitute 4 and 3 because we are having n by 4 here, t n by 4, and we have found t n by 4. We have founded t n by 4. T n by 4 is 2t n by 8 plus n by 4. So we'll put equation 4th value t n by 4, this 2t n by 8 plus n by 4, right? So what we'll get, tn is as it is, what is it is, it will be t 4 t n by 4 plus 2n. This is equation number 3 that we are having, equation number 4 that we are having, and t n by 4 is 2t n by 8 plus n by 4. So 4 will came out, and t n by 4 is 2t n by 8 plus n by 4 in curly brackets plus 2n, this part, right? Now we'll simplify it again. What we'll get, 4 into 2t, that is 8t, n by 8 is in brackets, so there is no need to multiply it again, plus 4 into n by 4, it will be 4 cancelled out, so it will be n and 2n as it is. We'll simplify it, n plus 2n is 3n. So this is the fifth equation that we are getting. So you can see from the fifth and fourth equation, here you can see that I have written that the fourth equation is tn 4t n by 4 plus 2n. So if I'll convert it into 2 की power 2, so it will be 4 will be 2 raised to the power 2 t plus n 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2n. And the fifth equation we are getting is tn is equals to 8t n by 8 plus 3n, that is 2 raised to the power 3 t n 2 raised to the power 3 plus 3n. So we are seeing a pattern that there is a power of for equation 4 we are having power n is equals to 2, here 2 power 2, that n is equals to 2, and n is equals to 2. So we are having 2, and here we are having 3. So this is the relation we are finding, this is the pattern we are finding. So if it goes for n times, we have done two more equations, the fourth and fifth. If we'll go to the 10th equation, 50th equation, or more than 50th equation, for let's say we'll go for k times, then what will be the equation from the pattern we are seeing? So the sixth equation can be tk is equals to 2 power here 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power k, because we are moving to k times. T in bracket n divided by 2 power, here 2, here 3, so here will be k plus kn. So this is the generalized form for the given equation that we have that we are solving, right? So this is the generalized form of this equation. If we'll move k times for the equation, we'll get this particular thing. Now as we can see from this part that we are having t in terms of n2 by k. So we have to convert it in the format that is understandable, and we can generalize this for the analyzing relational recursive relation. So after performing the whole process till k times, now we have to reduce n by 2 raised to the power k part of t. We have to reduce that part in terms of n to get the order of the question. So now we put and use the equation given data that tn is equals to 1. In the question we are given that t will be, when n is equals to 1, we'll get t. So we'll use this condition to further find our answer, to further process with our answer. So now what we have n is equals to 1 when t is 1. We are having t when n is equals to 1. So now we keep n by 2 power k is equals to 1, because the function is 1 when n is equals to 1. So we have put it 1 as t is equals to n is equals to 1, n is equals to 1 in the function t, right? There will be a function t when n is 1. So we'll write n divided by 2 raised to the power k is equals to 1. Now we'll solve it. We'll move our 2 raised to the power k this side, so n is equals to 2k. Now we log. we use the concept of log. I have written over here, in log we keep base as 2. It's a general form for solving the question, that we keep base as 2. So n, log n is equals to log 2, log base 2, log base 2 we are having already, and 2 power k is this. Log n is equals to log 2k. So to solve the log functions, log n will be kept as it is, and the power value will come in front, and the log 2 will be solved with the base of 2. So log 2 with base 2 is 1. Log 2 base 2 is 1. Right, so we'll get k with 1, so we'll get log n is equals to k. Now taking equation 6, the sixth equation, that is the generalized equation that we have founded, that tk is equals to 2 raised to the power k t n by 2k plus kn is the function. Now what we'll do, we'll put k in play, we'll put a log n in place of k. Wherever we are having k, we'll put log n, right? So we are having 2k t n by 2k plus kn, so 2k t n by 2k is what we have written over here in the upside part. N by 2k is 1, so we'll write n by 2k is 1, so we'll write 1 plus kn, k is log n, here 2k is n, as 2k is equals to n is equals to 2k, so 2k is equals to n into t1 is 1 plus k is log n, and n will be n as it is, so it will be n into 1 n plus log n into n, so n will come in front of log n, so n log n. Now from the growth notation, we have to find the maximum value, as I have talked earlier also in the previous videos. So n and log n, which is greater, n log n is greater than n. So the order or the time complexity of this question is n log n. So this is the question that I have solved using substitution method. Please do like, share and subscribe my video, and press the bell icon if you like it.